to the sentencing of Donald Trump. A week from Monday, Mr. Trump will be sworn in as the 47th president, only the second president in history who will serve non-consecutive terms, and the first president to be a felon. Sentencing today for that felony conviction in the courthouse in Lower Manhattan. A jury found Trump guilty last year of paying hush money to a porn star to keep their affair from going public. Mr. Trump trashing the judge during the trial, and he did it again today. But it was the judge who ended up keeping Mr. Trump out of prison. Lauren Glassberg outside the courthouse in Lower Manhattan with what happened inside. Lauren.
Well, Bill, these crimes carried up to 4 years in prison. And while such a harsh sentence was unlikely, Donald Trump will now serve no time behind bars. He's really facing no penalty other than the dubious distinction of being a convicted felon as he enters the White House. Donald Trump attended his sentencing hearing today remotely, repeating some of the same claims he made during his trial.
It's been a political witch hunt. It was done to damage my reputation so that I'd lose the election, and obviously that didn't work.
And the fact that Trump was reelected president did impact his sentencing. Today, Judge Juan Merchan imposed an unconditional discharge, meaning no jail time, probation, or community service, a viable solution that cements his status as a convicted felon but allows him to govern as president. But the judge did note that Trump was tried like an ordinary citizen.
Once the courtroom doors were closed, the trial itself was no more special, unique, or extraordinary than the other 32 criminal trials that took place in this courthouse at the same exact time.
And a jury unanimously found Trump guilty on all 34 counts of falsifying business records in an effort to cover up hush money payments to a porn actress, a story that could have been detrimental to his presidential hopes in 2016. Trump unsuccessfully fought to stop today's sentencing, even asking the Supreme Court to intervene, which it refused to do last night. Trump has always maintained his innocence.
Far from expressing any kind of remorse for his criminal conduct, the defendant has purposefully bred disdain for our judicial institutions and the rule of law.
During the trial, Trump was held in contempt of court 10 times. Today, with his attorney and possible future deputy attorney general at his side, the once and future president again cast doubt on the judicial system.
This has been a weaponization of government. They call it lawfare. Never happened to any extent like this, but never happened in our country before. And I'd just like to exclaim that I was treated very, very unfairly.
Now, Trump had called Judge Juan Merchan a number of things, including conflicted and biased. Today, the judge wished Trump Godspeed as he assumes his second term in office. Trump will, of course, appeal the conviction. Live in Lower Manhattan, Lauren Glassberg, Channel 7 Eyewitness News.
All right, Lauren, thank you for that. Still